headphones for my television, and my wife gave me shit. What do you need wireless headphones for? You're just gonna fall asleep with them on. Well, sometimes I can't sleep at night. That's 1:30 in the morning. I'm trying to watch television, and this is the shit I have to deal with. You hear how loud it's getting? How the hell am I supposed to hear the television with that going on? Huh? Oh well. Love you, babe.